I'll guide you through the process of creating a Facebook business page. If you're a business owner or looking to promote your brand, a Facebook business page is a powerful tool to reach and engage with your audience. Let's dive right in. Before we start, let's quickly discuss why you should create a Facebook business page. Facebook has billions of users, making it an excellent platform to reach potential customers. A business page can establish your online presence, helping customers learn about your products, services, and values. You can post updates, answer questions, and communicate directly with customers, building stronger connections. Business pages have access to advertising tools and insights, which can help you measure your page's performance and reach. Now, let's go step by step to create your page. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon from the right bottom. In this section, find the Pages option. If you do not see the Pages option, just scroll down and tap See More. Now let's tap on Pages. Tap on the Create button. Tap Get Started. Write the page name. This should be the name of your business or brand, as it will be visible to everyone. Now tap on Next. Choose a category that best represents your business: restaurant, health and beauty, or retail. After that, tap Create. Select your goals and tap Continue. Now that your page is created, it's time to add visuals and customize it. You will need to upload a logo and a cover. For most businesses, a clear, high-resolution logo helps customers recognize your brand. Tap on the profile icon and upload your image. Also, you can add a cover photo. The cover photo is the larger image at the top of your page. Choose something visually appealing that represents your brand or products. Recommended size is 820 x 312 pixels. Tap on the top photo and upload your chosen image. These visuals are essential as they create the first impression of your business, so choose high-quality images that align with your brand. After you have finished the upload of images, tap Next. This step is optional, but I highly suggest uploading a logo and cover images. You can invite friends to like your page. Tap Next. Tap Done. You have now created a Facebook page. You can now continue to edit the page info. And that's it. You now know how to create and set up a professional Facebook business page. Whether you're promoting a small business or growing a brand, this page can be a powerful tool for building your online presence. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more social media tips. Thanks for watching, and happy page building!